Friends, do you put in a lot of effort for people but only receive silence in return? You do everything for others, but they ignore you and move ahead. No one respects you. No one values you. People just use you, and when the time comes, they even harm you. So now it's time for you to get smart. Understand the power of ignoring. And today's video will teach you exactly that. Today I'm going to share some powerful points that will help you understand the power of ignoring and how you can make the world fall at your feet. People will start chasing you. But for that to happen, you must watch this video till the end. If you miss even a single point, you won't get the full results because half knowledge is of no use. Before we begin, if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on such powerful videos. Number 1, be a secret. Make it a rule in your life that whatever you're doing, keep it a secret. Don't let anyone know what your goals are, what you're planning. Let people think you're just an ordinary person doing nothing. But behind the scenes, play such a powerful game that people are left shocked. Keep working silently on your goals. Because when you announce your plans, people start getting jealous. Some start competing. Others start wishing for your failure. But when you work in silence, you get real results. You grow without any obstacles. No one can harm you. No one can compete with you. So make your life a secret. The more you expose yourself, the less people are interested in you. They start pulling away. No one feels attracted. But when you stay mysterious, everyone becomes curious about you. Everyone wants to know more. Number 2, shut your mouth. Stop talking without purpose. Value your words. Don't give others the right to ignore what you say. Never speak in front of someone who doesn't value your words. When you talk too much, explain too much, share all your life stories, people get bored. They lose interest in you. Psychologically, silence is attractive. When your words are rare, they become powerful. People will value them more. People ignore you because you constantly explain yourself. You talk too much, express too much, and that kills interest. To become powerful, you must learn to speak less. When your words aren't being valued, silence is the best response. Make people feel that your words are not so cheap that you'll share them with just anyone. Soon, people will crave to hear from you. They'll be attracted to your presence. Number 3, be expensive. Make yourself valuable. Become a high-value person. People respect someone who's rare and valuable. But someone who's too easily available is walked over. If you make yourself cheap, always available, silently doing everything for everyone, people will never value you. You need to learn to say no. If someone wants to meet you but you're busy, say no. Being everywhere reduces your worth. People will obsess over you only when you're not always available. When something is easily accessible, we take it for granted. But the moment it's out of reach, we start thinking about it constantly. To build a strong image in people's minds, give them space. Stay a little distant. And don't always be available. Be busy in your own life so they start wondering about you. That curiosity will build your value. Number 4, let them miss you. Behave in a way that people miss you. Become the kind of person people long to sit with. If you don't give people time to miss you, they'll never be attracted to you. Don't constantly stay on their head. Don't always be texting, calling, or forcing conversations. If someone isn't respecting you or responding, stop making the effort. Show them that you don't care if someone is ignoring you. When you start ignoring them back, they'll realize that you're strong and powerful, not someone who gets affected easily. Number 5, don't overreact. Stop reacting to what people say. People will say things that will anger you. They'll act in ways to provoke you. But if you stay calm and silent, that will become your strength. People will start fearing you, because when you react, you give your power away. That person then controls your life. For example, iron is very strong, but when it goes into fire, it heats up and softens. Then it can be molded into any shape it loses its strength. Similarly, when you get angry and start reacting, you lose your power. People can use you however they want. So make yourself so strong that you don't react to what others say. Stay calm, listen and ignore. Never let others' words take control of your mind. This is what will keep you at the top and people will run after you. Number 6, value yourself. Know your own worth. Don't wait for others to value you or give you respect. If you keep thinking you're less than others, others will keep rising above you. But if you think of yourself as better, valuable, worthy, your value will rise. It all depends on how you think about yourself. If you keep saying negative things like, I have bad luck, I can't do anything, that's exactly what you'll become. Because your subconscious mind acts on whatever you believe. So speak positively about yourself. Say, my luck is the best. I create my own destiny. I am the best. I am the most attractive. I am the most valuable. This mindset will turn you into a person everyone is attracted to. A powerful person always understands the power of the subconscious mind. He never says anything negative about himself. If you don't value yourself, no one else will. So stop begging for attention. Instead, become valuable. Learn to ignore people, and soon everyone will respect you. Everyone will run after you. Everyone will want to have you. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and support us as much as you can. Thank you for watching.